Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we take you to an incredibly adventurous journey. Our journey is practically impossible. But let's play a mind game and imagine the journey. That journey will take us from one side of our beloved planet to the other. Buckle up and get ready for an incredible expedition through the depths of our home planet. Hidden Rees. To understand this incredible journey, let's first explore the structure of our Earth. If you split the Earth into half, you're able to see the different layers. The Earth's structure consists of several layers. The crust is the Earth's outermost layer. The crust is thicker, ranging from about 80 to 90 kilometers in depth, and consists mainly of granitic rocks. The crust is actually thinner, it only covers less than 1% of Earth's surface. After that, the mantle is the layer beneath the crust and extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. It is primarily composed of solid rocks, but due to high temperatures and pressures, the rocks in the upper mantle can exhibit some plasticity, allowing for slow-flowing motion over geological timescales. The mantle is divided into the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The outer core is a liquid layer located beneath the mantle, extending from a depth of about 2,900 kilometers to 5,150 kilometers below the Earth's surface. It is primarily composed of molten iron and nickel. The outer core is responsible for generating Earth's magnetic field through a process called the dynamo effect. Then finally, the inner core is the innermost layer of the Earth, extending from a depth of about 5,150 kilometers to the center of the Earth, at a radius of approximately 1,220 kilometers. It is a solid sphere primarily composed of solid iron and nickel, due to the extremely high pressures despite the high temperatures. This pressure would be far beyond anything the human body could withstand. It would result in instant death and the complete compression of the body. The man-made deepest hole is, the Kola Superdeep borehole, reached a depth of 12 kilometers. Despite its impressive depth, the Kola Superdeep borehole is still nowhere near reaching the Earth's core, which lie much deeper. So it is unlikely that humans will be able to drill a hole completely through the Earth in the foreseeable future. Just hypothetically think that you dug a tunnel through the center of Earth to other side. And think that you travel by falling into that. And you also have special suit that withstand immense pressure and temperature of the inner core. Now we consider this tunnel under two conditions. In first condition, there is no air resistance inside the tunnel. When you jump into the tunnel, gravity would start to pull you toward the center of the Earth. Because gravity does not act on the surface, all the things in Earth are attracted toward the center of the Earth. Obviously you travel towards the center of the Earth. Because of the gravity, you accelerating constantly. By the time you reach the halfway point, after falling for 21 minutes, you'd be traveling at 28,000 kilometers per hour. From zero rest position, when you reach 6,500 kilometers at the core, you attain 28,000 kilometers per hour. Your gained energy from this is stored as gravitational potential energy. After you reach core, you started to travel another side of the hole. But here, which gravity helps you to attain the core, same gravity started to act against you. Because of gravity as act towards center of the Earth, when you started falling from surface to core as up to down, after you reached core, then you start to travel from down to up. It would begin to pull you back. But your stored gravitational potential energy is lift you up against gravity. As you approach the surface on the other side, gravity would gradually increase, eventually your energy decrease and slowing you down. When the moment you reach the surface, the energy you stored becomes zero and you stopped by there. Nearly you traveled 12,742 kilometers from one end to another by 42 minutes. Suppose, when you reach the surface, you are not caught by anyone, which means you are in trouble. Because the gravity again started to pull you to the center, there is no air resistance, you have to spend another 42 minutes to travel same side. So, place your best man on the surface of another side to catch you. Now we go to the second condition. In second condition, the tunnel with air resistance. Now you fall. You accelerate as you fall, picking up speed because of Earth's gravity. After about 10 seconds, having traveled 0.5 kilometers down, you reach a maximum speed of about 200 kilometers per hour. The air resistance at this speed is high enough to prevent you from accelerating more. The farther you fall, the weaker the gravity becomes, because more and more of the Earth's mass is above you, canceling the gravity from the other side of the Earth. Also, as you fall, the air pressure goes up so that the air exerts more force against your motion. With gravity getting weaker, and air resistance getting stronger, your speed steadily drops. After about a week or so of falling, with a maximum speed of 200 km per hour, it takes you a while to travel the 6,400 km to the center. You finally reach the exact center of the Earth. The strength of gravity at the center of Earth is zero, because there are equal amounts of matter in all directions, all exerting an equal gravitational pull. Also, the air in the hole is so dense at this point. The small amount of momentum you have at this point will cause you to overshoot the center of the Earth and keep on moving through the hole. But once you are past the center of the Earth, down is now in the other direction, so that you slow down and reverse direction before getting much beyond the center. You continually fall back to the center of Earth, overshoot it under your own momentum, and then fall back from the other direction. This motion is much like a yo-yo or a child on a playground swing, who is continually overshooting the lowest point. With such thick air, you eventually lose momentum and stop your yo-yo motion about the center of the Earth. You end up stuck floating at the center of the Earth. After knowing all the details, who wants to jump? Comment below. Falling from one side of Earth to the other may seem like an impossible adventure. But through imagination and understanding, we can explore the hidden depths of our remarkable planet. Remember, Earth's mysteries are waiting to be discovered, whether we dive into the oceans, climb the highest mountains, or journey to the core. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content. Hidden Rees.